Hey everybody, Ben here with Diesel Power Products, and today we are talking about Synergy Heavy Duty Steering for the forward power strokes of the coil springs on the front. That's going to be 2005 to current with the radius arms. Let's get into it. So luckily the forward power stroke front end has remained relatively unchanged since 2005, but that also means that honestly the forward steering was pretty satisfactory for a long time. That's until Synergy decided to really up the game and come out with something much more heavier duty because, let's be honest, we're hard on our trucks, and if they've been around for this long, it's probably time to get something better in there than stock. So here it is. We've got a Synergy tie rod and drag link that drop in exactly where the factory parts were, and they are constructed to be bomb-proof. Let's talk about how thick these things are. This drag link here is CNC formed, 1.5 inch diameter and 1/4 inch wall with 1026 DOM tubing. This thing will not break. The tie rod down here is CNC formed as well. It's 1.75 inch by 188 wall, 4130 chromoly tubing that's heat treated after bending. You know what do all these numbers mean? Well, it means that they went the extra mile, made a very, very heavy duty kit. If you're using this truck off-road, you have big wheels and tires, or just looking for something that's honestly going to look and perform a heck of a lot better than the Ford factory stuff did, this is going to be your jam. As far as steering stabilizers go, this does have the hole for the stock steering stabilizer, which is mounted up high on the drag link. If you are running a dual steering stabilizer kit, you will more than likely need to add a steering stabilizer clamp, but don't worry, Synergy makes one, specifically for the 1 3/4 inch tie rod right here. As far as the kit contents, it comes with everything you need, as well as pinch bolts, cotter pins, castle nuts, and they even have threaded tie rod end Zerk fittings. That's right, they're threaded. You don't have to get a wrench in there and jam it in there. It actually threads in with your fingertips. It's very nice. One of the other nice things that we really like about the Synergy Heavy Duty Kit is that each of the ends are individually replaceable. So if for some reason you do happen to wear one out, break it, whatever the case may be, you can purchase each one of these individually. That way you don't have to purchase the kit all over again. As always, the Synergy kit does come with full instructions. So if you have any questions, just consult that, because there is a specific order of how you want to tighten things down with these pinch bolts and adjusters to make sure you don't have anything flop forward on you. Another great thing is this is all made right here in the USA, so you know you're going to be getting a very high quality kit for the best price on the market. If you have any questions on this, do not hesitate to reach out. We have sales technicians on the phone 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. Pacific time, Monday through Friday. You can also email us, use the chat feature on the website, social media, whatever works best. We're here to give you the best tech support in the industry. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one. Hey, did you like the video? Like what you see? Like, comment, subscribe, all that kind of good stuff. We have these videos coming out regularly on this channel. Want to see a certain part? Want to see a certain type of video? Let us know in the comments. Shoot us a call. Shoot us an email. We're more than happy to get whatever you want on the screen.